Dear all, good morning. I am Ms. Noble A. Paliat, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sacred Heart College for Women, Chalakudi. I am before you to discuss a new concept that is included under Module 2 of Language and Linguistics paper prescribed for the 3rd BA English Language and Literature students of the University of Calicut. That is, what is linguistics? The word linguistics can be split into two. Lingua plus hyphen ISTICS. The Latin word lingua means tongue. Istics means knowledge or science. So I can construct a sentence the following way. Linguistics is derived from the Latin word lingua, meaning tongue, and istics, meaning knowledge or science. Linguistics is the science of language. Linguistics is the systematic study of language. Linguistics is also defined as the scientific study of language. A scholar, an academician, a learned man associated with the field of linguistics, who is interested in the field of linguistics, is known as a linguist. Hereafter, I will be using these two terms, that is, linguistics and linguist, interchangeably. Linguistics focuses on language in general and not a particular language or a single language. It attempts to describe, classify, and analyze language in general. So what we have to understand from this is that the prime concern, the sole priority of linguistics is language and its various aspects. Linguistics is concerned about the role played by the place of language in human lives. It understands language as a universal and recognizable part of human behavior. Linguistics investigates the functions performed by language, how language operates, how language is used by people, how it is used by the different strata of the society, different sections of the society, how language has originated, how it has evolved, and how it has developed. That means how language varies through time and space. So a linguist is always concerned about recording facts about language, formulating general rules about language, observing language scientifically, analyzing it systematically, and so on. So in sum total, we can say that linguistics, a linguist is always concerned about the origin, nature, growth, evolution, development, and organization of language, descriptively, historically, and comparatively. So it studies various aspects of language by using or by adopting three different approaches. So first you have descriptive approach, second you have the historical approach, and third you have the comparative approach. Now let's see the first one. Descriptive approach refers to description and analysis of language for a given period of time. Second one, historical approach. It deals with evolution of language, state of language or status of language at a particular point in time. Not only that, it deals with the language change. We know that language is always in a state of flux. It is ever changing. It is constantly evolving. It is incessantly changing. So, a linguist is also interested in this aspect of language change, language change over the years. Now, what are the causes of language change? What are the results, the outcome of language change? And last, you have the third approach, that is the comparative approach, where two or more languages are compared. They're also studied in relation to their differences. How one language differs from the other. How one language resembles with the other. At the same time, how one language is different from the other. So by using a comparison contrast strategy, a linguist tries to bring out the relationship as well as the differences between two or more languages. So dear students, this is all for the day. In today's class, I have given you a very basic, a very simple idea as to what the concept of linguistics is. Until we meet again in the next video with another related concept of language and linguistics, stay tuned. Thank you.